A very good morning to my dear students. Happy New Year. Have a great year ahead. Today's thought of the day is smile cost nothing but gains everything. So you should have good terms with your friends, with your parents. Always keep smiling, always keep happy faces, focus on studies. I know you all have taken some New Year resolution, so focus on your studies. From my side, I will say at least give 2 hours every day to your studies. Students, we were on fourth chapter, local government agency. You learnt about Gram Panchayat, about civic amenities, now about municipal council. Yes, municipal council. You know, the members of municipal council in a town are elected by the people of that area who are 18 years of age or above. Like same only in Gram Panchayat also, Gram Sabha also people are elected who are 18 years above. In same in municipal council also they are elected by 18 years or above. These members are called municipal councillors. These members are called municipal councillors. The municipal council elects a head. Municipal council elects a head called the chairman और चेयरपर्सन. ग्राम पंचायत के हेड को सरपंच बोलते थे और म्युनिसिपल काउंसिल के हेड को चेयरमैन और चेयरपर्सन. In big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, and some other, the municipal council is known as municipal corporation. You know the meaning of SMC. I have told in online classes also. SMC, some students gave answer also. SMC means Surat Municipal Corporation. Okay, in some big cities, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, or even Surat also, municipal council is also known as municipal corporation, and the head of municipal corporation is mayor. You have to remember three things: gram panchayat head sarpanch, municipal council head chairperson, and municipal corporation head is called the mayor. Read the chapter, you will understand very easily. Now about the main functions of municipal corporation: to keep the city, town clean by organizing collection and disposal of waste. Every city should be clean, so it's duty of government to keep the city clean. Setting up public toilets. Government should set up public toilets in some parks, some areas, so that people can use it. To arrange for the supply of safe drinking water. To arrange the supply of safe drinking water is also the main function of government. Then comes our street lights and roads. What they have to do? They have to maintain street lights. Street lights are already on the roads, but they have to maintain on street lights and roads. To open and run primary health centers and hospitals. To open and run primary health centers and hospitals. Yes, to provide free and compulsory education for children up to 14 years of age. To provide free and compulsory. Yes, education should be compulsory for children. Otherwise, they are doing labor work, and with according to government, labor work should be banned. It is already banned. Now, the other function is to construct and maintain roads and parks. Construct bhi karna or maintain bhi. Yes, students, they have to maintain also parks, so that there should be cleanliness and greenery every time when you visit the park. To organize literacy programs for adults. Yes, this is also the function of government. literacy programs, education related programs which gives us information about what is going around the world. So these programs also they have to organize. To carry out above functions, committee needs a large amount of money. Yes, students, they need large amount of money. So where does this money come? Can you guess where does this money come from? Yes, the money comes from the tax we pay. To carry out the above functions, the committee needs a large amount of money. ये सब करने के लिए बहुत सारा पैसा चाहिए. So, where does this come from? ये पैसा कहाँ से आता है? Money comes from the taxes people pay. You might have heard about the tax. Yes, students, am I right? आपने सुना है टैक्स के बारे में? Yes, money comes from the taxes people pay for the use of roads. आप जब हाईवे पे जाते हो तब टोल टैक्स पे करते हो ना. So we pay tax in the form of toll tax, house tax, land also, electricity also, and on water also. We also pay tax on the goods we buy from the market. Yes, which goods we buy from the market, we also pay tax on the them also. Then comes taxes also charged. Yes, taxes also charged on the money people earn. On the money people earn. The state government also gives money to the municipal council. The state government also gives money to the municipal councils. How can we be good citizen? How can we be good citizen? We must be good citizens and help to keep our village, city, town clean. Yes, we can keep our village, town, city clean. Now, we should also pay our taxes regularly too. We must also pay our taxes regularly too. I hope you have understood the chapter. Write words to remember and I now know in your notebook. Thank you.